quick sharpen then, just pull it in here, lean it over with a ceramic rod and just follow the contours. Any bit needs an extra wee bit, just go over it. Then change the blade. I like to hook it into the wood like this. There you go. Same again, just following that contour. Then alternate sides. Just nice and light. Right, that's nice and sharp, so let's see, hopefully I'm in shot here, I'll show you that. Right, so you can see how much that's taken off. Right, so there you go. Nice and simple way of keeping it sharp with a ceramic rod for the field, to the point that it's actually hair shaving sharp. Right, there you go.